In Instagram, when you are posting photos, before posting that photo, you can edit that photo. In this video, we'll be telling about how to edit photo in Instagram before posting. For this, open Instagram application. When you are opening Instagram application, down here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your profile. In your profile, down here you can see one plus button. Either you can click on this plus button, or above you can see this plus button. Click on this plus button, and when you are clicking on that, you can see post option. Click on post, and when you are clicking on that also, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the photo which you want to post. For example, I want to post this photo. After that, click on this next button. When you are clicking on that, if you want to add filters, you can add filters from here. Anyways, after that, to edit this photo, what you need to do is, down here you can see edit option. If you want to adjust this photo, you can adjust according to your need. If you want to increase brightness, you can do that. After that, click on this plus button, and likewise you can change contrast, warmth, saturation, colors, and many other options are there. You can adjust this according to your need. Anyways, after every adjustment is completed, down here you can see tick button. Click on this tick button. After that, click on this done button. When you are clicking on that, here you can see that edited photo. After that, click on this next button, and when you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can add caption, or if you want to add location, you can do that. Or if you want to tag anyone, you can tag people also. Anyways, after that, click on this share button. When you are clicking on that, that photo will be posted. So this way you can easily edit photos in Instagram application only. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.